Hi guys, this is Bodhi. Bodhi, say hi.
Hi.
He's gonna be my model for today, and I'm gonna show parents how to do cool Halloween eyeliner looks or stuff like that for your kid. Yay! I know I'm a kid. Anyways, so...
Now you're a teenager.
Okay. You need eyeliner and possibly black eyeshadow. Depends on what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna start off with a bat liner. So like a bat, yeah? Get your kid to open your eyes and look at the camera, please. Most eyes that kids have will probably be quite hooded, so you don't want to do it while their eyes are closed, but you can fill it in once their eyes are closed. Okay, come here. Now close your eyes. Thank you, Bodhi. Now for the fun bit. We get to turn it into more of a bat, you know? So you start by taking the end corner and putting little lines out. Then you kind of web it, you know, like duck feet, and fill that in. One more. I'm gonna do one more little bit. And then... bat liner. Woo. Ah. Okay, now on the other eye, do you want bat liner or a different eyeliner?
Do you have different color eyeliner?
No, sorry.
Okay.
Eyeliners don't come in many colors. But do you want to do some cool fun things?
Okay.
Okay. We could do clown. Okay, so with... Do you want to do clown? Ready? I just need to do it, please.
Fine.
Okay. So you can get the little dot up to where you want to go. Boop. And kind of draw a triangle. Whee. And you can fill that with any color you want. So you can fill it with color ready.
Green?
I don't have green.
You don't?
No.
What do you have? Can I see?
You can fill it with like all sorts of browns. Or do you want to just fill it with black? Oh, blue.
Blue.
Okay. You can fill the bottom with a color and the top with black, and then make it like blend, and it looks really cool. Pretty cool clown, huh? And then you can put a little dot on top to add some spice. Now I'm gonna do a skull, and I'm gonna start with white face paint. Whee! Draw a little circle on their cheek. Boop. Oh, wrong way. And then you can put little things, little lines going out. Next you do the actual mouth of the skull. It's like a little rectangle.
got black eyes.
That's coming up next.
Oh.
Then you wait for it to dry for a little bit until you're able to put black things on top. Mum, when I was waiting for my face paint to dry, that's when I did the little lad dance. So do you want to do the little lad dance with me while we wait? I'm a little lad who loves berries and cream, berries and cream, berries and cream. I'm a little lad who loves berries and cream. Up the octave, go for it. Berries and cream, berries and cream. I'm a little lad who loves berries and cream. Okay, there we go, sit back. Okay, and now we can do the outline and then the details. So we start with just outlining the white. With the bones, you can fill that in with face paint again because I forgot to do that. Now you can do the face details. Birds, can you please move your face? Wrong way. Thank you. Oh.
Not too far.
Just there. Thank you. Boop. First you do 3 lines in the little rectangle.
1, 2,
You just... Okay, I did
Ready to
2,
move.
but yeah. Next we do the eyes. And finally the nose, an upside down heart. Yay, it's done.
Show us very slide on.
Woo. So there's how you do bat liner, clown liner, and a skull.